Hey, sorry for my appearance like this, but I was out working on my Jeep. And as people who have seen my channel, all 43 of you know that I have a couple old Jeeps. And on one of my Jeeps, a military vehicle, one of the batteries died. So tomorrow I'm getting a free battery because I bought the extended warranty, something people say you should never do. So I'm getting a free battery tomorrow. It only lasted 6 months. It was a reconditioned battery. That's why I had to buy the warranty. There you have it. Free battery. Paid $10 extra for the warranty. Now I'm getting a free battery. Anyway, my wife's car was damaged in a wreck on the freeway. She was sitting still, and just like you see in those Russian videos, a truck running into her car while she was stopped. All right? So on Friday, that car's going to the junkyard, and we are getting a check, and then we're going to go get her another car. But in the interim period, we needed to rent a car, and the insurance company told us that they had a deal through Hertz. So they sent us a check for a car rental. We went down to Hertz and asked the person at the desk if we needed to have a credit card. And they said no. Now, even before we went down to Hertz, my wife had called Hertz on the phone and asked him the exact same question. We don't have a credit card. Will we need a credit card to rent a car? The answer was no. Are you sure? No, sir. You don't need a credit card to rent the car. So I went to the doctor's office. I had a doctor's appointment today. Took a lift there. Took a lift from the doctor's office over to the car rental place to pick up a car. And guess what? You needed a credit card. So I said, hey, look, I talked to 2 separate people, one on the phone and one in person here at this very office. Matter of fact, I talked to that young man sitting next to you, and he said I didn't need a credit card. So what's up with that? You know what they told me? Well, have a nice day, sir. That was it. That was it. Have a nice day. I said, well, I'm kind of stuck here because I don't have a ride. Let me talk to the manager. She goes into the back, comes back out, and they gave me a free ride home. How benevolent of them. I asked to speak to the manager. He was too busy to speak to me. Yeah. I should have said which one of you was lying. This guy or the guy on the phone. Who was lying to me? I had that problem with Sprint. Because with Sprint, I got 2 completely different stories about my service. From the guy at the store, where we got the service, everything hooked up, got the phone, and the people on the phone when I called to ask why I wasn't getting the things I was promised. And they said, well, they shouldn't have told you that. I said, then they were lying. Well, we can't say they were lying. Well, who's lying, you or them? One of you's lying. Needless to say, I don't have Sprint anymore. Needless to say, I'm never going back to Hertz. Now, yeah, people are going to say they're not going to miss you. But after going through this big discussion with my family, which comprises of about 6 to 8 people, adults, none of them are ever using Hertz again either. Because you know what? They all agreed with me that this is bogus. Now, my son-in-law uses Hertz a lot. Not anymore. When he travels, he'll just make do with Budget or Enterprise or somebody else. He's not going to use Hertz anymore. The prices aren't that big of a difference. That's how that works. When you're up against big organizations, you have to ask questions that they have to answer. Why can't I do that? How can I do that without doing this? What do I need to do to get this? They don't like answering those questions. A buddy of mine was trying to get disability because he had had a heart attack and couldn't work. And the state of California gave him the runaround. He couldn't get disability because he owned a truck, which was an asset. He said, then I have to sell my truck. Oh, no, sir, you don't have to sell your truck. Well, I need disability. You can't have disability because you own your truck. Then I need to sell my truck. No, you need to ask, how can I get disability without selling my truck? If they say you can't, then yes, you have to sell your truck. Now, eventually, I turned him on to this lawyer. He kept his truck, got disability, got complete disability. That's how that works. You do the same thing with the IRS. You do the same thing with your local tax organizations. You do the same thing with the gas company, the phone company, the electric company. Make them answer the hard questions, and that's when you get service. I got a free Galaxy Note 7 phone. I think that's what it's called. I could be wrong. Yeah, you know, I'm an old guy. I don't keep up on the latest phone names. Because when my old iPhone 5 bailed, I went back to Verizon and I said, I need a new phone. And they said, well, a new phone's going to cost you somewhere in the neighborhood of $200. I said, okay, give me a flip phone. Oh my God, you would have thought I farted in their face. What? I didn't, give me a flip phone. I don't need to contact the internet. I just need to text and, you know, that's it. So they came back with this great big industrial flip phone that looked like something you would see in a war movie. I'm not joking. Like rubber covers. This is the only flip phone I had. And I said, perfect! God, that is exactly what I need. What do we need to do to get it? Let me talk to the manager. Guy goes back, comes back. We'll give you this free Galaxy phone and an 8-inch Samsung tablet if you take it. Oh, no. Needless to say, I got the phone and the tablet for $0. Zero. Anyhow, that's my story. Never using hurt again. Hurts again. Hurt. Never using hurt. Boy, I get all kinds of hurts. Never using hurts again. Never using Verizon again. So there you have it. You guys have a great day. Bye.